Hello friends, welcome to Allied Classes. If you're watching my video, please like and subscribe my channel. In previous video, we have seen the cell organelle, Golgi complex, the structure of cell organelle and the discovery of cell organelle. This Golgi complex is discovered by Camillo Golgi in year 1898 and he observed these nerve cells in nervous cells of owl and cat. And we have seen where this Golgi complex is present in plant cells and animal cell, as well as we have seen the structure and the components such as cisternae, vesicles and tubules. Now in this video we are going to see the functions of Golgi complex. So let's begin. This Golgi complex or the Golgi body is the principal director of macromolecules. So we can say it as a traffic center of the cell. Principal director of macromolecules. Macromolecules means what? Large molecule. And micro means small molecules. So it is known as a traffic center. Traffic center of the cell. Because macromolecules are exported out of cell through Golgi complex, known as traffic center. So we will write the reason here why it is known as traffic center of the cell. Because macromolecules are exported out of cell through Golgi body or the Golgi complex. So this was the reason why the Golgi body is said as or known as traffic center of the cell. Now this Golgi complex is also a processing unit. Processing unit means what? Many substances are taken by endoplasmic reticulum and modified into further different components or the different cell organelles, such as vesicles are converted or modified into cisternae and proteins or lipids are modified into Golgi bodies. So we will write here processing unit because many substances are taken from ER means endoplasmic reticulum and modified. Okay. Now glycosylation. Glycosylation means what? Glycosylation means what? Glycosylation means what? Proteins and lipids are modified into Golgi body in the forms of glycoprotein and glycolipids. Proteins and lipids are modified into Golgi body in the forms of glycoprotein and glycolipids. Means glycogen plus protein and glycogen plus lipids. So we can define glycosylation as the formation of glycoprotein and glycolipid in the Golgi complex or the Golgi body is known as glycosylation. Okay. Now Golgi body is synthesized various substances such as hemicellulose. Synthesized substance like first hemicellulose. Hemicellulose means what? It is a chief ingredient of cell wall. Chief ingredient of cell wall. Another one, it is salicylic acid, means it synthesizes salicylic acid or sialic acid. We can say it as a sialic acid or salicylic acid. Means it is a carbohydrate present in cell membrane. The carbohydrate which is present in the cell membrane is known as a sialic acid. Carbohydrate of cell membrane. Now the third one is polysaccharides, means long chain of carbohydrates. Polysaccharides, long chain of carbohydrates. Okay. Means Golgi body synthesized substance like hemicellulose, sialic acids and polysaccharide. Hemicellulose means it is a chief ingredient of cell wall. Sialic acid is the carbohydrate of cell membrane. Means carbohydrate present in cell membrane is known as a sialic acid. Polysaccharide is the long chain of carbohydrates. Now another function of Golgi complex is secretion. Golgi complex or the Golgi body secretes gums and mucilage. Gums and mucilage. Okay. It is responsible for the formation of plates. Responsible for the formation of blood plates. Okay. Now the another one function of Golgi complex is it synthesizes lysosomes. Lysosomes are synthesized with the help of Golgi complex. Synthesized lysosome. But how these lysosomes are synthesized by the Golgi complex? Golgi body along with endoplasmic reticulum. Along with ER means endoplasmic reticulum. Acrosome synthesize or the form acrosome. Acrosome is a tip of sperm and helpful to penetrate the ovum. Acrosome, formation of acrosome means tip of sperm to penetrate ovum. Okay. Now the vitelline membrane around egg of frog and salamander is made up of Golgi complex. Vitelline membrane present around the egg of frog and salamander. Frog and salamander is made up of Golgi complex. So this was the function of Golgi complex. So friends, thank you for watching my video.